Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. I go by the name Fellow F. Alright guys, if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and also hit the notification bell after subscribing so you receive notifications for every new video that's shared on this channel. Alright guys, tonight or today we'll be talking about some top-down analysis. We'll be doing a little top-down analysis. Looking at our GBP USD. What are our expectations? So here is the daily time frame. Yeah, we'll start from the daily and gradually go down to the lower time frame. All right guys, so as you can see, the market actually was making some lower highs, some higher highs and higher lows from here all the way to this point. And finally you realize that the market came back, took out the lows. Let me see, the market came down, took out these lows. You understand? Now what are our expectations? Start seeing lower highs and lower lows. So the market actually took out the previous lows and started creating. It actually made a head and shoulder pattern. If you want to look critically, okay, you can take it this way, here, here, and here. It all depends on how you say it. You can still take this one as a left shoulder. All right, and now it took out the neckline. Okay, you can also consider this one the neckline. It was a little inclined and it came down, now came back all the way up to retest. Is it a retest? And started crashing all the way down, guys. So what are our expectations for the week? All right, the market has actually done a significant crash all the way to 1.23,697. So we should be expecting a little retracement to around 1.26,000 or a little lower, 1.25 plus. Then this is what we should be expecting this week before the crash. So how do I get my entries? I just take my fib level from the previous high to the most recent low from 61.8% and above. That's where I get entries. As easy as that, guys. So this is what we'll be expecting for this week. Very easy. I'm not supposed to take you much time on this. For GU is a clean pair. If you understand GU, you will not stress trading it. So that is it, guys. All right, we're done with GBP USD. Now I think we should go to GBP AUD to see what we have on GBP AUD. On today's top down, we'll be handling three pairs. That is GBP USD, GBP AUD, and gold. Those are my favorite pairs. Those are the pairs on my watch list that I trade regularly. All right, guys. Looking at GBP AUD, you realize that GBP AUD has been consolidating. It has been consolidating for a very long period of time. And let's also analyze and see how many pips this consolidation zone has taken. Okay, so let's just make sure we have our levels drawn out. Okay, so I have my key levels, and for those who've been following me, you understand that from one key level to the other is approximately 100 pips. Okay, it's approximately 100 pips, which means if we want to check, you realize that it has been consolidating within 1, 2, 3. It has been giving us a 400 pip consolidation for a very long period of time, and finally the market took out this zone. The market took out the zone around here. The market actually break the zone around here, around 1.92,000. Okay. Now that the market took out the zone, the market had to retrace back into the zone. Okay. Looking at the market, it actually created a very good pattern before crashing all the way down. So we have head, left, and right soldier, as easy as ABC. For those who trade patterns, you would have seen this and taken your trade and crash it all the way down. Actually, I took it, and as we speak, I'm still on a trade running right now on GBP AUD because I'm expecting that GBP AUD should take out these lows. Should take out these lows. As easy as that. As easy as that. Okay, like I told you earlier about my Fibonacci. Okay, now on one of our videos, I'll guide you on how to use Fib levels. So I take my Fib from the highest highs to the previous, from the most recent highs to the most recent lows. I realized that the market actually retraced a little bit above 78.6% and crashed down. It is crashing, guys, and I'm expecting it to hit to hit my negative 27 extension, which actually matches with the next key level below the last one we had on the structure, which is 1.90,000 or 1.9000. All right, guys, so as we speak now, the only thing you can do is maybe go down to a lower time frame to see if you can get a little retracement. If you catch a little retracement, that's when you can continue the short. Now that we've taken out, because the market actually made a double top pattern here. Let me use my tools. You have one top here, the other top here. This is the neckline. It has taken out the neckline. So what are we expecting? We are expecting a little retracement. We are expecting a little retracement, guys. Fuck, excuse me. We're expecting a little retracement, and once the retracement is done, you can still short. So what are we expecting? The market should at least come back to our neckline and continue the move. Are you with me? All right, guys. So those are expectations for GBP AUD. All right. If the market actually takes out the previous high, the most recent high, then it's a bad trade. I'll close my positions and stay out and accept the loss. But the truth is, I cannot take my stop loss to break even at this point. That's the honest truth. I cannot. If it takes me out, I already prepared to lose the trade before taking the trade, which means the amount of money that I risked on this trade is money that I have already accepted that if it goes, then no problem. So with that being said, let's go straight to gold. First, this is a powerful trade analysis I did on gold last week, but sorry, I did not take the trade. I did not take the trade. I had to place a pending order, but I did not, so I missed this morning. This has given me, this was a 1:9 risk to reward. It has already given me 1:8.5. You can imagine how hurting, how aching it could be, but that's part of the game, guys. I don't follow the market. I don't rush the market. Once I lose, I lose. If I get it, I celebrate. As easy as that. So what are my expectations for gold this week? All right, guys. Actually, I'm hoping that gold should continue with the uptrend and maybe take out the most recent highs. I'm hoping that gold should take out these highs. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for this week. So how will I get my entries? Well, if I can get a touch on this trend line, then I'll be buying. I'll be buying somewhere around there. It all depends. So what we have to understand is gold is currently in a serious uptrend. We shouldn't be looking for shorts unless it's a short-term sell. But if you are a long-term trader, I think you should be looking for buys. We all can see the powerful move that has been happening over the last few months on gold. It's been rising consecutively. So I'm just hoping that maybe it continue respecting this trend line. So if it comes down anywhere around the trend line, wow, I'll get a long, guys. I'll get another entry. All right. So these are my expectations on gold for the week. These are my expectations on gold for the week. A little retracement, a bounce, and we make a new all-time high. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. If these videos help you in any way, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and do not also forget to comment on the videos. All right, so actually I have two channels. For those who are interested in crypto, you can follow Cham Felix. This is one of my channels. This is my crypto channel. And for those who are already with me here, guys, I really appreciate you for always following me up, for always watching my videos, for always for commenting, for liking, for sharing your views, guys. So we are up 42 subscribers with 41 videos. You need to understand how much effort I'm putting. So guys, I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and invite your friends. The last video was on how to start your forex trading. This is explaining how you can use MetaTrader 5. The other one was how I made $1,700 in the market trading. So it's very easy, guys. You can join me on this journey. I actually give you some beginner guides which will actually help you as well in your journey. So this is just the start of a great journey. So be part of it, guys. Thank you very much and see you on the next video. Ciao.